My dog gets wet. Will she? Oh, she just play on. No, she just. Okay, that's just embarrassing. Y'all saying, "Oh, how gross! How gross!" No, just don't say it, okay? That's my. Oh my God, she's wet. She's wet. She's wet. I don't know if you can tell what she's wet. Oh, I gotta put it on the feet. I can't do it with my arm. You can see, but she likes the water so much. No, she's freaking pouring the water towards me. No. I do not know what she's up to. She's wholly wet. She's going back there to get some more. I don't know what she wants from me. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey. Yeah, I know this Rosita. That's Rosita. Whoa. Now that's a strong dog. That's one of a kind. And this is a husky. We got it for free. I was saying, where do you sell those? Whoa, we already got them. They're all gone. Whoa. Huh? Come on. No. No. Lots more. Well, I'll put part 6 because you want to see more fun. And just for now. Put some. Okay, I'll put part